Start by opening the iMovie application or software. So there's two ways, whether from the search button here, you click on iMovie, or you can hover your mouse right to the bottom and you'll find it in your dock here. If it's not here, you can just go to the search button. I'm gonna click it in here, so because I have it here already, click on it, wait for it to open. A few seconds, and here you go. That's the iMovie panel like this. So we start from the top. You've got your menu, of course, here from the top, and you've got the movie project. That's the name, my movie. You can call it any name you want. If you, yeah, you can call it any name at the end of the project. It will ask you if you want to keep that name or you want to change it. And also, you've got in the library, you've got photos. The photos is already saved in your library, so you can reuse them again, or you can go to all events. All events is for the clips that you keep using them repeatedly. So, for example, if you have a vlog and you have intro and outro, you can put them here in all events. So every single project you make, it will be added there automatically. So you can just keep reusing them. And the way to do that is to go. We'll add the two clips here. We can add clips in two ways. One, you press this button, import media, or you can go with this button. So let's go ahead and press this import media, and let's add these two videos. You selected them and import selected. Give it a few seconds and it's being added. So these are two clips has been recorded. I want to add them to all events, so I go to iMovie and new events. Let's say you want to do it like you call it name clip one or vlog one or whatever. So that's what you want to see every time. So from here, just drag and drop to clip, and you find it in a clip. So that's in all events now. You can see it every time in all events. You have two clips, and you can just keep reusing them over and over again. So let's delete that. So we'll hover here like this. It means I selected both items and delete media, and I will delete this event for now because we're going to use a single project. Right, so we understand this side. So if we go here on the top, let me delete this one for now. If we go here in the top, you've got my media, which is the media you're using for your project, and you have the audio. It's connected automatically to iTunes or or you've got here some built-in audios that you can use, you can explore, you can use and drag and put it in your project. You've got a variety of ones. You don't need to download sometimes, though. If you want to have your own ones, you can just record or download. You've got different sounds here, and you've got the title. That's the beauty of the iMovie. Everything, it has a theme, so you can take it and modify it. So you see here the title. You can pick any title you want, and you can see a kind of preview how you want your title to be appearing. I need to add it on your video in the beginning. So that is the title. You just pick. You don't need to design it again. You just drag it and you put it as I will show you later on. And you've got the background. This is a background. They've got an animated background, which is very good. For example, for travel blog, you can see this animated background. You can modify it even to be animated specifically to your video. Let's wait for it until yeah. So, for example, you see it's from San Francisco and it's going to, I'm sure you've seen it in a couple of blogs to find a destination. So, yeah, you've got different types. Let's say if you wanna do this one, just to show you a brief how this works. So that's the original animation. So come in here, you want to modify it, click in here. So from San Francisco, let's say I'm in UK now, so I will say from Edinburgh, you will find your place here, to let's say France. So you traveled from Edinburgh to France, let's say any place in France, let's say, okay. So when you play the video, the start of the video, it will be like, okay, you traveled from Edinburgh to again. So this is the test how this look like. And you've got also a normal background like curtain, you've got organic, yeah, you've got different backgrounds here. And also you've got transitions. Transitions means between the clips that you are recording, you need to transfer from clip to clip in a certain way. For example, to dissolve, some of them are not the best, but it can give you, it depends on the video that you are doing, you can add the transitions between the clips, which I will show later on in the course. So you have different transitions here. You can see, you can play them and see how, which one is suitable for you. So that is the transition. When we come here, that's where you preview your clip or your project, or you test whatever you have. On top here, you've got a couple of buttons here will be useful. We're going to see them repeatedly, which is this one. Sometimes to adjust everything automatically, you just click this one. It's a lazy way, you just click this one, everything to be fixed as the software will see it. But also you can do it manually. For example, you can change in the color, or you can crop, or you can reduce shaking videos, or you can improve the quality of the sound, or remove noises, or do such an improvement, or even you can control the speed of the video. You can slow down, you fast it up a little bit, and also you can change the filter and the audio. So there is very good powerful tools here that you can use in iMovie while you are editing your video. So that's it pretty much. So we covered up most of the tools we're gonna use, and yeah, we'll see you for the next one.